In this video, I'll review the product that I used to be able to print out over 1,000 pages when I took the PE exam. Let's go. I printed out these two binders for the PE exam, which they had over 1,000 pages, and I also printed out other miscellaneous personal stuff with this kit from LD Product, which essentially, if you have a printer at home, this is just a refill kit for your printer cartridge. So this is the box that I used, and you can see that this was filled with ink before I used up, and this is empty as well. And all that I had to do with this product was take my printer cartridge, remove ink from those tubes, and then essentially insert them here. And I'll put a link to the actual instructions from LD Products on how to refill your cartridge. So of course the pros for this product is the price. I think I paid $13 or $15 to buy the kit, which enabled me to refill about 5 to 6 times my cartridge, and I printed over 1,000 pages. The cons is that, one, it can get a little bit messy to be dealing with ink all the time, and two, that I ended up having to buy another cartridge just because one cartridge could not handle being refilled so many times. They do wear out. So it's a con, but I think it's still worth it because I would have to probably spend about $300 buying, say, 5 or 6 new cartridges, as opposed to buying 2 and refilling them multiple times. I have links in the description below for the products that I mentioned. Please verify if your printer is compatible to whatever cartridge or refill kit you're purchasing. Looking back, I would recommend buying an extra large cartridge. This way you don't have to refill it multiple times. I think if I had an extra large cartridge, I probably could have refilled only maybe 3 or 4 times instead of 6. I know this video was slightly different than the typical technical videos on my channel, but let me know in the comments below what types of videos you'd like to see on this channel. Thank you, and I see you next time.